What's good, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. We're here with my brother-in-law and Crystal, and we're gonna make our way up to Santa Fe Dam and hopefully all the way up to Azusa West Fork to see some waterfalls today. My brother-in-law Jesse obviously is on a road bike. He's gonna do his best to keep up. He's pretty athletic in that aspect. And Crystal has our Onyx RCR. And I have my Super73 72 volt. I have a 40 amp hour battery. Crystal also has a 41 amp battery. Today, we have never e-biked all the way up to the Azusa West Fork waterfalls. We've never done it from home. It should be 12 miles going uphill, so that should be a 24-mile round trip today. Hopefully our battery can make that since it's going uphill. Arriving Santa Fe Dam now, and I still have about 82 volts. Started full charge at 84 volts. So far so good. I barely get to use this guy. Trying to make sure I'm cycling the battery accordingly. Because I use my gray Super73 RX way more than I use this one. Because this one is I only use for range, has such a big battery and what have you. Lovely day to be outside. I am hoping that there would be enough water for the waterfalls. Now passing the nature center. And it's a straight shot. Straight shot to Azusa. Let's get it. You alright? Even that Onyx needs the battery cycled. Haven't used that in a while. Jesse, let us know if you want a break. Alright. It's like we're training Jesse for a triathlon or something. Maybe there aren't waterfalls because there's no more water flow from here. This area typically has some kind of flow if there were waterfalls. But we shall see. Time will tell. Alright, we had a bid adieu from Crystal's brother who had a flat, but basically needed a tube, a whole separate tube altogether. So it's just me and Crystal now. Just you and me now, let's go. Let's see if we can make it to the waterfalls. Jesse, my brother-in-law, is just gonna get an Uber back. It's probably best because I think he needs a whole new tube. We were trying to pump it and it wasn't getting air. His road bike. Alright, we're nearing the end of the bike path. We're gonna need to be on the road pretty soon. And this is kind of where it gets a little bit sketchy. We're gonna be really relying on our motors from here on out. We won't push our motors too hard. At least not yet, because gotta conserve as much as we can. Really chilly up here. We're going about 25 miles per hour going uphill. So far, it's okay because there's no cars behind us. And I'm only throttling throttling honestly like 20%. Again, I don't want to push it too hard. Motor brake and our wrist. Give your wrist a break. You alright? Just 2 seconds. I just want to see a view too. Somewhere up here. Whew. It's cold up here. Chilly. Carry on. Nice view. Alright, we made it to the East Fork. So that means we're pretty close. So you remember this spot, right? Alright. 78 volts. And we're really close to the West Fork. Let's get it. We are here. And alright, this is like a 8 miles round trip. In and out. You ready for this? Yeah. Want to walk our bikes. Forgot how this goes. Oh, I barely fit. Come on. Alright. I'm through. Alright, that entrance was a little bit funky. My Super73 barely fit in that little turnaround thing. Just to the waterfalls, not all the way up. We're good on battery. We're pretty good because it's just downhill on the way back. Well, as you can see, the guard just let us through. So e-bikes have no problems being here. Or should I say electric motorcycles, because we're definitely in that classification. Just wish the sun was out though. Be nice if it was a little warmer. Thank you. You see any waterfalls yet? Maybe it's a good time to definitely visit after a rain. Like these bridges, you typically, there's one, kind of. That's nice. Let me take a picture of this bike first. Alright, that's good. There is waterfalls today. Alright, took some pictures. I was worried there ain't gonna be waterfalls today. So good stuff. Still at 77 volts. Oh man, it's so muddy today. So ugly muddy. I think it would have been in this area. Yuck! Ah, my bike. I've never had it so dirty. That looked like a spot where there could have been waterfalls. Just be prepared. There's going to be muddy spots for your bike. And I think this is the last kind of waterfall that we like in this area. And we're just going to turn back. This is it, huh? Yeah. That we like? Oh, there's one more over there. But this is the main one right here. If you look up there, whoo, splish splash. I'll take a picture of my bike. Ta-da! Yeah, this part is like the best waterfalls, just this area, in my opinion. All right, let's cross it and then find a way to U-turn, and then we'll head back. So clean the wheels a little bit. Ooh. I'm 0.0. Ready to turn back. Alright, let's roll. Take your time. Really?
Scared of the road.
Yeah, I don't like road either, but that's what's your brother. But it's not too scary, actually.
He was gonna road bike this?
Yeah, he already has. Alright. Very nice. Look at what happens when you go fast on mud. At a rear. When's the last time you biked that bike? This like the first time you've used this bike this year, I think. Do you agree? Dude, I take it around the block here and there. But that's mainly her bike because it's pretty short for her. It's a shorty version. This time we're gonna go with a flow of traffic versus earlier we were letting people pass, giving our motors a break and what have you. You alright? You okay? Eyes on the road. Eyes on the road. Man, my wrist is starting to hurt. Alright, we're on level ground now. I have like 73 volts. Crystal still has 75 volts because I believe, her regen Onyx helped her with that, and she's also a lighter rider. Alright, E-Crew, that's going to be in today's adventure. Looks like we can successfully use our e-bikes from home, which is West Covina, all the way to the West Fork Trail up in Azusa Mountain with a 40 amp battery. Anyhow, that's going to be today's vlog. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next ride.